Open a new terminal inside VS Code. Now create a new Angular project. Run that project inside a development server using ngserve. Everything is working. Let's go back to VS Code and terminate the development server. Now go to Google and type npm bootstrap. We are going to install Bootstrap using npm. Copy this code and go back to VS Code. Paste it inside the terminal and hit enter. What we are doing here is downloading all Bootstrap files into our Angular project. Next step is to link all this file into our Angular project. First open angular.json. You can find styles array inside this file. Inside styles array, add a relative file path of bootstrap.min.css. Next step is to add bootstrap.js file inside scripts array. Now open app.component.html and delete all this code. We are going to add a Bootstrap navbar. Open Google and type Bootstrap navbar. Open this official navbar page. We are going to copy an Bootstrap navbar. Now copy this navbar. Paste it inside app.component.html. Now save the project and run this project again. As you can see, navbar is showing in our application. Let's inspect the console. You can see there are some errors showing inside the console. To resolve this error, we need to install Jquery. So go back to VS Code, terminate this development server. Now go to Google, type npm Jquery. Like Bootstrap, we are going to download Jquery using npm. Copy this. And go back to VS Code. Paste that code inside the terminal. We are downloading Jquery files into our project. Similar to Bootstrap, we need to add jquery.js inside scripts array. So now add jquery.js inside scripts. Now run that project again. Open the console. As we can see, the error is not gone. Okay, what we did wrong was to add jQuery after bootstrap.js. We need to add jQuery before bootstrap.js. This order is very important. First jQuery.js, then bootstrap.js. Now terminate this development server and run this project again. Now open console. As you can see, the error is now gone and everything is working fine. Thank you for watching.